Victoria's Secret. The run-up and... Don't feed the models, they say.
Don't feed them.
Come look at my secret stash. My secret stash of veggie straws. Models who snack. They're beautiful. We love veggie straws. Alright.
There's just a wall of horse noses. So guys, I'm in my completed look. The lighting in here is not the best. But I'm getting things done. And Raymond is watching me vlog right now. And yeah, take a look at behind the scenes. Hello, my favorite ballerina. Hello, my favorite Nabiyat. Hello. Leslie, getting ready. My fave. Love you. I said I love you. Cute. Megan, getting ready.
I am so ready.
Hell yeah.
Excited.
Oh my gosh, I'm excited for you. Brianna, Ashley, everyone's here today.
Yeah. She's always the cheerleader.
Jace is here. Say hello. Hello. We have Kim and Dalton doing her makeup. Everyone's doing so great. Logan, my queen. Bro, you look so good. I can't. You look so good.
Thank you so much. You're welcome.
God, you look smack. Simone, looking cute.
Oh, hello.
Love you.
Love you.
Your dress looks bomb, girl. Bomb.
I will have heels on a little bit. Rest in my feet in the meantime.
Yeah, I was about to say, don't work that broken toe too much. gotta give her some beauty rest, you know? Sid.
What's up?
Just killed her walk. Did so good. Hello.
Now we're packing up.
Okay, once Faith gets her shit together,
We're
we can go to the car. Faith does not have her shit together whatsoever.
Hey, I'm trying.
We had fun time.
Faith,
We're real behind the scenes right now.
get your shit together so I can go to my car.
I gotta fold my pants. You're really,
Congrats,
I'm sorry,
top
Shane.
models.
you're really funny, and I think you can
did
accomplish
amazing.
your dream of being an actor.
Okay. All right, hold on, Shade. Faith
2
said,
minutes.
you're really funny and I think you can accomplish your dream of being an actor.
What's up? Cute little freak here. We're visiting a pumpkin patch today, and it's so cold. Oh my god. You guys, it's 37 degrees outside.
What happened to fall? Like, this is so freezing.
That's what happens in Oklahoma though. It's like, you don't get fall, you just get winter. Summer and winter only, in Oklahoma.
Nothing.
Oh my gosh. We're standing in line to get general admission tickets to see pumpkins. Literally, to see pumpkins.
Look how weird this looks.
We're so excited. Oh my god, it's so cold. Definitely getting hot chocolate today.
Pony rides?
We have to ride it.
Catch time. How tall this
So-
fall? Let's measure you. Let's measure me.
You're gonna see it. I was gonna say, This is not correct.
That is not 5.
I am 5'8".
This is not a valid representation.
I was about to say, I'm not 5'8".
I can't be a model. Look how short I am.
Hey,
I'm 5'5".
anybody, we can all be models.
We are all models all the time. Maybe.
This is the best thing I've ever seen in my whole life. Look at these. They're so cute.
They're swings.
That's cute. Oh my god. The love of my life. Right there in front of me.
Oh, is this a little baby?
I think he's a baby. He spit on her? Oh my god, that's hilarious. Come back! They are spitters.
Spitters.
I don't think he likes it.
Aw, you don't like the food?
He's making a weird noise. This is making me nervous.
Casually feeding alpacas. Do they eat the feed?
I do want to go in here, but there's a bunch of kids, and kids make me nervous. So we're just about to see how this goes. Felice. Oh.
I might have caught that on camera.
I just hit my head. It's low. It's so low. Okay, make sure I duck this time. I don't know if we're gonna get to the bunnies.
I don't think it's happening.
Yeah,
It's okay.
we'll skedaddle. We had to find a way out.
I think this is a way out.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh. I get to play my dump card a lot today. We love pumpkin patches.
Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin.
Look at these cute little weird. The Bluetooth is out of range.
I literally have never painted a pumpkin. Maybe this
You've
year's
never
the year.
painted a pumpkin?
I've never painted a pumpkin.
I love
me your best actor pumpkin patch. Yes.
Okay, so I love the ones that have like a long stem, like that.
Yes.
I love that. I love it so much. And I like tiny pumpkins. Whenever I was younger, of course, whenever I was a kid, I liked like the bigger pumpkins better.
This music is killer. Yes. Oh, the secret ladies. Oh, the secret ladies.
I don't know what these are, and I like them. I like that stem. I like these.
Okay, this music is gonna suck during like editing.
I'm like, I guess I'll just put my own music on, I guess. I don't know.
What in the world?
This is my favorite one.
I've honestly never seen a pumpkin like this.
They're so weird. I love them. This is where I go? Recycling bin.
Oh, not those ones. The ones at the end.
So I'm trying out the new ramen shop in Edmond. We obviously devoured the chicken, and the fried rice is about to be gone, and so is this ramen. This ramen is about to be gone. I'm so excited. I'm about to demolish this ramen, and I decided I should take a pretty picture of it before I do that. What's up, guys? My camera is uneven. It's sitting on top of a bag of candy. It is the night after Halloween. And I keep eating candy. You see, the problem with this is I really need to go to bed. But I'm kind of on a sugar high right now. I came home. I ate spicy pickles because I wanted something spicy. And then I wanted something sweet. So I just had 2 Reese's. I'm about to eat this. And I had some Twizzlers. I won't specify how many. My dog is joining me also eating. And I think my battery is about to die. So if this is it, folks.